for their children. Children learn so many things from their parents. When parents lead exemplary lives, children can cultivate good qualities by following them. Parents sacrifice most of their time. They do it to build a prosperous future for their children. They never let children go astray. The parents always show the correct path to children. Parents are with their children in both their happy and sad times. They never desert their children. When a child falls sick, parents spend sleepless nights. They sacrifice their rest and meals. They give priority to the child's needs rather than their comfort. They encourage children to improve their education by supplying all their necessities. Parents pay much attention to direct their children to the right path, considering them as their first. It is the responsibility and duty of children to love, respect, care, and honor their parents. Thank you.
Okay, Vidya, very good, Vidya. And next chance goes to Netum Lee. Netum Lee, you can start with the Netum Lee.
My father. Father is the most valuable gift in my life. He works hard for the family. He works up early in the morning. He works from morning to night. He faces many problems in society, but he never shows them to us. He helps me to do my schoolwork. He always helps me to keep on the right path. I love my father very much. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Vidya. Very good. Next chance goes to Varani. Varani, you can start with that. Varani, are you there? No, Varani is not here. So it goes to.
Okay, sir.
Varani is here. Sorry, Varani, I didn't see you. Okay, you can start. Sorry, Vidya, you can start.
The Sinhala and Tamil New Year. The Sinhala and Tamil New Year is in April. Sinhala Buddhists and Hindu Tamil celebrated it. During New Year, people painted their houses, they clean their houses, they buy new clothes. New Year season is very beautiful. The flowers make the environment beautiful. On the New Year day, we make milk rice, we eat at auspicious time. We play traditional games. We go to temple. We worship our parents. New Year is a very happy day. Thank you, sir.
Okay, Vidya. Very good today. Next chance goes to Sanumita. Sanumita, you can start the Sanumita.
My favorite book. My favorite story book is Manuduvar. It is a novel written by the famous writer Martin Vikramasinghe. It is an adventure story. The main characters in the story are two boys named Upali and Jinapala. Upali is the leader of the boy gang. They do a lot of mischievous things. They often get into trouble. But later, Upali becomes a king, hardworking man how help people. It is an enjoyable story about children like us. I like it very much. Thank you, sir.
Sanmita, very good today. And next chance goes to Senuti. Senuti, you can start with the Senuti answer.
Okay, sir. My village is Moratuwa. It is in the Colombo district. It is beautiful and clean. It has many hospitals, shops, restaurants, schools, temples, and libraries. The Grama Sevaka of my village is Saman. There are many people in my village which is famous for woodcraft. My village has a lake and is near the sea. I love my village very much. Thank you, sir.
Vivda, very good today. Next chance goes to Situm Imanshu. Situm, you can start with that.
Okay, sir. Leisure time activities. We can spend our leisure time by engaging in hobbies. Gardening, reading storybooks, and collecting stamps are some of the leisure time activities. I also spend my leisure time by doing gardening. As a student, we can read books, newspapers, and magazines. During our leisure time, some people write poems and short stories when they are free. Some go on trips and picnics. We must spend our leisure time usefully. Sir, finish.
Okay, with that, third round, first chance goes to Mathila. Third round is started now. Avashakati messages, and you may send the message. Huh? Third
Okay,
round, first chance goes to Mathila.
Okay, sir. School exhibition. School exhibitions are generally inter-school competitions that a school organizes. The school exhibitions can be of different themes, maybe social science, science, or any other. In these exhibitions, students present their works based on the exhibition. A welcome speech is an integral part of any event, which also includes the school exhibition. The purpose of the welcome speech in the school exhibition is first to welcome all the honorary judges and school committee members and the participants. The host explains the purpose of the school exhibition and the theme for the school exhibition. The host also explains the meaning behind the selected theme of the school exhibition and the significance of the theme. The welcome speech encouraged all the participants to give their best in the exhibition. In the welcome speech, the honorary judges give lectures about the selected theme of the exhibition and encourage the students for their competition. A welcome speech is all about relatable words that involve all the guests and participants. The host also shows respect to the parents and the teachers who supported the participants to prepare their works. Thank you, sir.
Okay, with that, very good today. Next chance goes to Situm Imalsha. Manish, the Mathila, very good with that. Now, Situm, you can start.
Okay, sir. Sir, ma'am,
Yes, Buddha, again.
the job I like most. There are many jobs in the modern world. From childhood, I wanted to be a pilot. I like flying and to look at the airplanes flying in the sky. These ideas inspired me to become a pilot. First, I have to do my studies well. I wish to pass the GCE O level and the advanced level examinations in the maths stream. After that, I have to enter a flying academy. And from there, I will have to learn about flying planes. Becoming a pilot is very respectable job. Get a chance to travel all over the world. I can meet many people from the other countries. I also can learn their language and their lifestyles. I will get a chance to visit interesting place in the world. I can go for foreign training and learn new techniques about flying airplanes. I will have the great responsibility to take all the lives of the passengers carefully. I will do my duty well. I will try my best to fulfill my dream and to do a great service as a pilot. So I am finished. Thank you.
Okay, Vida, welcome. And next chance goes to Netmi. Deekshana, you can start with that.
My country is Sri Lanka. It is an island in the Indian Ocean. It is also called the Pearl of the Indian Ocean. It is an agricultural country. Many are famous. Our staple food is rice. There are several communities in our country. We gained semi-independence in 1948. Sri Jayawardhanapura is the capital, while Colombo is the commercial capital. The main exports are tea, rubber, and coconut. Clothes, electric and electronic items, vehicles, food, and many other things are imported into our country. Pidutalagala is the highest mountain and the Mahaveli is the longest river. My country has waterfalls and ancient ruins. I love my country. Thank you.
Let me very good today. Island name island today. Island name island today. एक हाथ आगा ना. And next chance goes to Situmli. Situmli, you can start with that. With Situmli, you can start with that.
I live in Kesdava. I am 11 years old. My school is OCC College. I am in grade 7. My hobby is cooking. I have one sister and one brother. My mother's name is Nalika and my father's name is Roshan. My favorite color is blue. I have a pet dog. My favorite subjects are math, science, and English. I want to be a doctor someday. Thank you.
Okay, with that. Very good today. Next chance goes to Senuti Liansa. This is the last round. The last round again. So Senuti, you can start with that.
Okay.
Senuti, you can start with that. Oh, Senuti is not here. So it goes to Netumli. Netumli, you can start with that.
Siri, it looks like a bus. Father, be careful. Siri, I will wait till all the people go. Father, they will take time. Siri, they will go now. Father, look round before you take it. Siri, I feel like taking it now. Father, have patience. Siri, there is no one now. Father, now take the purse. Siri, I have taken it. Father, open it and see. Siri, All are 10 rupee and 100 rupee notes. Father, there is an address in it. Thank you, sir.
Very good, Anatumli. And next chance goes to Manisha. Manisha, you can start. Now your chance, you can start.
Okay. Mother, how many much is kilo of pumpkin? Vegetable seller, 50 rupees a kilo. Senori, mother, shall we buy some cohilet? They look fresh. Mother, yes. How much is cohilet? Vegetable seller, 10 rupees a bundle. Mother, a kilo of pumpkin, a bundle of cohilet too, please. Vegetable seller, anything, please. Madam, mother, no, thank you. Vegetable seller, that's be 60 rupees. Mother, yes, 100 rupees. Vegetable seller, here you of 40 rupees. Thank you, madam.
Agrude. Next chance goes to Sanmita. Sanmita.
My name is Puri. I live in Panagura. I am 10 years old. My school is Mahamaya Girls College. I am in grade 6. My hobby is gardening. I have a brother and 2 sisters. My mother's name is Ruvini and my father's name is Rasika. I like pink moss. I have a pet dog. My favorite subject is science. I want to be a scientist one day. Thank you, sir.
Agruda. And then all I think have taken a chance in the third round. So I think, yeah, except visit all got. So I'm going to stop for today. Then everyone, then good night. See you next day.
Good night, sir. See you next day.
Good night, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you teaching me, sir.
Welcome and bye. See you next day.
Good night, sir. Bye, sir.
Good night, Buddha. Bye. Okay, sure.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Bye. Okay, good night. Bye.